Hello friends, welcome to all of you to my YouTube channel Gyan Rasayan. Myself SV Swami. In last video we studied chemical reaction, what is a chemical reaction and what are the types of chemical reaction. In which one, that is first type, combination reaction we have studied, and today we are going to discuss the second chemical reaction, that is decomposition reaction. So before starting, I will request to all of you, please subscribe my channel Gyan Rasayan and please click on bell icon. So let us start decomposition reaction. First of all, definition. A decomposition reaction, it is a chemical reaction in which two or more products are formed from a single reactant. It is to be noted, dear friends, it is totally reverse reaction, opposite reaction to that of the combination reaction. Here, two or more products are forming from a single reactant, where in the first reaction it was forming
where in combination
two products
reaction,
or more
two
products from a
reactant gives
single
one product.
reactant. Literally, the word decomposition indicates the decomposition, breaking down of a reactant into different products. It is the decomposition. Friends, decomposition may be of different kind depending upon in which condition it is forming. For example, if any decomposition taking place in the presence of temperature, heat, it is said to be thermal decomposition. If it is in presence of sunlight or any light, it is said to be photochemical decomposition. Suppose if we carry out the decomposition in presence of electricity, higher voltage or electricity, it is termed to be electric decomposition. For example, if we study the decomposition reaction of calcium carbonate, which is a solid, when it is heated, it gets decomposed into two products. One is calcium oxide, second is carbon dioxide gas. Calcium oxide, it is a solid. If we focus here, the decomposition reaction taking place in presence of a heat, hence it can be termed as a thermal decomposition. For instance, if we study another example of thermal decomposition, the reaction is in front of us. Sugar having the molecular formula C12H22 and O11. When this sugar is taken into a dish and if it is heated simply, it will turns into black colored powder, that is nothing but carbon, forming 12 atoms, while water molecule H2O, hydrogen oxide, it is get evaporated in the form of water vapors. This occurs due to in presence of thermal, that is heat. Hence it is the another example of thermal decomposition. Now let us see electric decomposition. We have very well known the electric decomposition. Very simple. If we take water in this electric decomposition and if we pass a high voltage electric current, then it is found that hydrogen gas get evolved as well as oxygen will also evolve. This indicates that a single reactant is going to be formed two products in presence of electricity. Hence this decomposition is termed to be electric decomposition, and two gases are forming, especially for water, hydrogen and oxygen.
So these are some examples of decomposition reaction, and the definition was there. So it is, let me know whether you have satisfied or you're getting or not getting. So please comment me in the comment box and suggest your suggestions, and if any queries is there, definitely I will reply it. And please subscribe my channel, YouTube channel Gyan Rasayan. Thanks for watching this video.